Hello everyone, today I will show you how to use AI text to image generator in Canva. And here's how it is done. Log into Canva. Open your Canva account or sign up if you don't have one. Start a new design or open an existing project where you want to add an AI generated image. Access the text to image app. On the left hand menu, scroll down to apps and click it. Search for Magic Media in the app search bar and select it. Describe your image. In the text to image tool, type a description of the image you want. Be as specific as possible to get accurate results. Example, a sunset over a mountain range with a lake in the foreground. Choose the style you want, such as realistic, illustration, or abstract. Generate the image. Click Generate Image and wait a few seconds while Canva creates the image. Once it is ready, it will appear in the results section. Add to your design. Drag the generated image onto your canvas. Resize and position it as needed. You can also pair it with text, elements, or other visuals to complete your design. Download or share. Once your design is complete, click Share to download or share your project. And that is everything you need to know about how to use AI text to image generator in Canva. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.